searching no more. I found the one for me, yeah. You are my destiny.
Hi guys, hello, hi, how are you? You guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. Today's tutorial is all about this look right here. You guys, I'm so excited to share with you guys how I was able to achieve this look. What do you think? Anyways, let's get right into the video. First of all, I'm going to apply my eye cream. This is the Benefit eye cream. I like to use my hand to do that until it gets tacky. So now it's okay. The next thing I'm going to do is apply my MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and this is in the shade NC35. You guys, you know this is my favorite one. I like to use this one almost all the time, if not all the time. So I'm just going to apply concealer there. I just finished recording a tutorial and I'm recording the second one. And what time is it? It's past midnight, you guys. But anyways, I love doing this for you guys, so it doesn't matter what time it is. Okay, now I am just going to set that with eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take a very light color. This one, I'll go in with this one right here as my transition color. Whilst I use this as transition color, I'm just using it to set it. As you can see, I am not blending, I'm just dabbing it there because I'm using it as a transition color as well as setting it. The next color I'll be going with this orange color right here, this one. I'm okay with that. I am just going to take a more deeper orange color. This one is more deep. I'm going to apply this from the back. So as you can see, I'm just dragging it to the front. I'm taking my time around this part because, you guys, I don't know if I should call my eyes hooded eyes. That's why I'm taking my time to do that, because if I don't do that, you are going to see that somehow it will be cakey or cracky right there. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to apply it before I apply my glitters. This is the glitter that I'm going in with. I'm okay with that. Just around this portion of my eyes, I'm just going to smoke it a little bit. Here, this one. It's time to go underneath my eyes. So you guys, I'm just going to use this is called Anastasia eyeliner. So I'm just going to use that to go underneath my eyes. You can use it for your brow, you can also use it for your under eye. So I'm just going to use that. I'm going to go in also again with the orange eyeshadow, the one I used on top, the lighter one. So this one right here, that's what I'll use to go under. So I'm swapping now because this one I don't really see it under my eye, so I'm swapping to this one right here. That is the darker orange color. I notice I don't really like my eyes as it is, so I'm just going to apply a black, as in black eyeliner. I'm going to use this black one right here to go underneath my eyes. Now I'm okay with the eyes. It's time to go in with eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply my primer, and the primer that I'll be using today, you guys, this is the Classic Perfect Mattifying Primer. That's the primer that I'll be using today. The next product I'll be using is my black Opal stick foundation, and this is in the shade Nutmeg. So I'm just going to use it to first of all color correct my face. Now I'm going to apply my foundation, and the foundation that I'll be using today is the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is the Dewy Smooth. This is in the shade Soft Honey. Now I'm going to highlight my face, and I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in the shade Pure Beige. Now I'm just blending it out, the concealer. The next product I'll be using is my black Opal stick foundation. I'm just going to use it to contour my face. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Contour Powder to finish and blend properly my contour. You guys, I must say this shade is super too dark, as in it's just too dark for me. I'm going to go in with another palette, and I think I'm going to take my favorite palette, and that is the Fair Up palette. This is the one I'll be using because, as you can see, take a look at that. That is just that's a no-no. I'm going to be using this one right here. See, this is okay for my skin tone. I just want to set my face, and for setting today I will be using the Zaron face definer. You guys, this is the one I will be using, and I'll be using this color, this powder right here, to set my face. You guys, this powder is not light at all. It's really a bit, should I say, heavy. It's not a light powder, so it's kind of heavy. The powder is a bit heavy. Today I want cakey face, so let it sit for a few minutes. I'll be right back. You guys, it's been a minute. Now I'm going to blend. Highlighter I will be using today, you guys, this one is from Creative Makeup, so that's the highlighter that I'll be using today. I'm mixing it with another one, so these are the two highlighters that I'll be using today. You guys, this highlighter is very perfect for a natural look. When you're going for a nude look, this highlighter is really perfect for it. So now, you guys, before I go around my lip area, I'm just going to apply a little bit of this highlighter around my tear dot area and then my brow bone area. This step, you guys, is not necessary. You don't have to do this. Normally the look is good to go, but sometimes, you know, when you are going for that wedding or that birthday party and you want to cause commotion, all eyes on me. Just kidding. Anyway, I'm just doing this to like make the eyes look a little bit more I don't even know. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's not necessary. Just in case you want to create this look, you don't have to do this step. Well, I'm just going to use a little bit of this because this lipstick is something else. So now let me just quickly line my lip, you guys. I'm using the Essence of Contouring Lip Liner. You guys, you see that? I'm going to go over my lip with this one right here. This is the Essence Wet Look Lip Gloss. So I'm just going to go over it. This is the setting spray that I'll be using. This is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I'm just going to apply that. You guys, here is the finished look. What do you guys think? As in, mama. Okay, just allow me to enjoy this look for like 2 minutes. Anyways, guys, we have come to the end of today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look, and if you try or you are going to try to create this look, let me know also in the comment section below. And if you eventually create this look, kindly tag me on my Instagram. Let me know how yours turned out. So that being said, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.